Have you ever stumbled across a niche so rare that it feels like discovering buried treasure? Well, today I'm sharing one of the best niche with zero competition. This niche absolutely blowing up across all platforms. These videos are irresistibly adorable, relaxing, and with the perfect touch of a Christmas theme, they become absolutely impossible to ignore. Creators in this niche are not only getting massive engagement, they're making real money by sharing these videos, and the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a big budget to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use completely free AI tools to create these types of videos yourself. So if you're ready to learn how to create these viral content and start making money, then stick around. Alright, let's dive right in and get started. The first step in bringing this idea to life is crafting detailed image prompts that we'll use to generate stunning visuals. Don't worry, this is super easy with the help of ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create 5 similar prompts based on an example prompt that I've provided in the description below. All you need to do is copy that example prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, then hit enter. In just seconds, ChatGPT will generate 5 unique and creative prompts for you, each featuring adorable baby animals with a Christmas theme. If you want more variety or plan to create a longer video, you can ask ChatGPT for additional prompts until you have enough content for your project. Now that we've crafted our prompts, it's time to transform them into stunning visuals. For this step, we'll be using Ideogram, a powerful tool that makes creating beautiful images easy. Open your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you're new to Ideogram, take a moment to create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon and you will be presented with the creation interface. Now tweak the settings to ensure your output matches the vision you have in mind. Next, head back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt you generated earlier. Now return to Ideogram and paste that prompt into the prompt box. Then click Generate and let Ideogram do what it does best. In just a few moments, it will start creating your image based on the detailed prompt you provided. As the image generation process finishes, you'll be presented with a collection of visuals. Take your time to review them carefully and pick the ones that stand out to you the most. Then download the image to your device. Now do this same process to generate the rest of your images. Now it's time to transform the images into stunning videos. For this step, we'll use Hailuo AI, a powerful tool designed specifically to turn images into animations with ease. Open your browser and search for hailuoai.video. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the creation icon and select the image to video feature. Start by uploading the first image you want to bring to life. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to create an animation prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate prompts for animating all the images. ChatGPT will then generate tailored prompts for each of your images. Copy the first prompt provided by ChatGPT, then return to Hailuo AI and paste the prompt into the text box. Then click on Generate and let Hailuo AI will get to work. The tool will analyze your prompt and create a smooth, dynamic animation based on your image. While this process might take a few minutes, it's worth the wait. Hailuo AI allows you to queue up to 3 images at once. This feature ensures you can work on multiple animations simultaneously, making your workflow much faster and more efficient. Once Hailuo AI finishes animating your image, preview the video and you'll see your static image transformed into a lifelike animation that adds depth and movement. If you're happy with the result, download the video directly to your device. Repeat this process to animate the rest of your images. Now that our videos are ready, it's time to get perfect background music to make our video engaging. But instead of using pre-made tracks, we're going to create our own custom music. For this step, we'll use an amazing tool called Suno. Open your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't already have an account, create one. Once you're logged in, click on the creation icon, which will take you to Suno's creation interface, where you can start composing your music. Now, because our videos are Christmas themed, we'll want lyrics that match that festive vibe. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to write lyrics for a Christmas song. Then ChatGPT will craft the perfect lyrics for your music. Once you have the lyrics, copy it, then return to Suno and paste the lyrics into the provided text box. Next, you'll want to give your song the right style. Ask ChatGPT for suggestions on the music style based on the lyrics. Copy the suggested style and paste it into Suno's style box. Finally, give your song a title and click Create. Suno will begin working its magic, combining your lyrics and chosen style to generate unique background music for your videos. In just a few moments, Suno will provide you with 2 versions of the song based on your input. Let's listen to both tracks.
The snow is falling.
Once you've made your choice, download your favorite track directly to your device. Now it's time to bring everything together and edit our video. For this step, we'll use CapCut, a powerful video editing tool. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated videos you've created. Once they're uploaded, adjust the aspect ratio to match the platform where you plan to upload your content. If your clips have any logos, click on the clip and stretch or crop it until the logo is no longer visible. Repeat this process for all the remaining clips to ensure a clean and professional look. To make the video flow seamlessly, we'll add transitions between the clips. Click on Overlay. Choose a transition style that fits your theme. Then click Apply to All to use the same transition across all your clips. This will give your video a polished and cohesive feel. Next, import the music we created from Suno and sync it with your video timeline. To make your video even more engaging, let's add captions that display the lyrics from your custom music. Click on Text, then select Auto Caption. Choose a template that complements your video's style and click Generate. CapCut will automatically process your captions and overlay them on your video. Watch your video from start to finish to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Once you're happy with the final result, click Export. Increase the video resolution to 4K and download it to your device. Now let's check out the finished product.
Snow is falling soft and bright, blankets the world in sparkling white. The trees are glowing, trimmed with care. There's Christmas magic in the air. Hear the laughter, hear the cheer. The season's wonder is finally here. Hearts are warm, love's everywhere. Christmas magic fills the air. Oh, the lights are shining.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.